What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan? Coming with another video. And today what we're making vegan pizza with naan bread. So what we're gonna use is this organic naan bread. We're gonna put the ugly side up. Sorry I didn't, so yeah, I got the naan bread here. Well, I can just use one and you can see that it's gonna be both sides. What I'm doing now is I'm gonna use this Earth Balance soy-free vegan butter. I'm gonna melt it. And the reason why I'm melting it is because I'm going to use this Cajun seasoning. This is by McCormick Gourmet, non-GMO, verified. So what I do is I melt it, put that fake butter on both sides, then I add this on top so you can have that great tasting crust flavor. And I'll let you see the rest in a little bit. All right, so I got the butter here, so I just pour some of the butter on here. You want to get it everywhere. And it's vegan butter, so don't worry about it. It's fat, so I'm gonna work it out later anyways. And I'm gonna do that to both sides. And yes, I am eating both sides. This is my cheat day today, so it's 1:30 Eastern Standard Time, and today I'm gonna stop eating 5 p.m. So I'm gonna be fasting, so I can't complain. So you get that on both sides, you get it nice. Make sure you use everything up. Put it in here. Now what I usually do is, today I got the Greenwise roasted garlic sauce. I'm gonna put this on top also. Me, I don't like too much sauce on my thing, on my pizza, cause I don't want to get the sauce everywhere. But I put a fair amount. Can't complain. There it goes. That should be enough. And I do both sides. And the reason why I like that butter on there, you know what? I messed up. Oh well, I'll be alright. Cause I wanted to put the Cajun on the bread, but I'll do that now. It would taste a little better if it was on the bread, but oh well. You get the idea. Depending how you like it. It's not really too spicy, but I'm not really a spicy person, but I do like Cajun seasoning. There it goes. Probably a little bit too much. So far that's the beginning. Spread it around. All right. And what I like to do is, depending I'm gonna put everything on the bottom, like my vegetables. So I'm putting, this is green onions right here. You can put regular onions, but I just like the taste of the green onions. Put that on both sides. And I did wash my hands, so don't worry about it. I did wash my hands. I know a lot of people cry about everything on social media or online. So there goes that. And what I like to do is, I'm not really a good cook, so what I like to do is I like to clean at the same time while I'm making stuff so it won't be everywhere. Now I did get canned black olives. I tried to get it fresh, but laziness won that round. Sometimes it gets on my nerves, but. And I'm using everything all up because I'm going to be fasting, so I don't want nothing to go to waste. So I'm just putting everything on here. The pizza do become a little bit enormous. So there goes that. Now I am using organic baby spinach. So you put that on top. I don't know, I like to put this on the bottom and then I put the cheese later on. I don't know why, it's just the way I like it. And then I put mushrooms on the top, so you'll see. Great pizza, great idea, easy to make. Now also my favorite is sun-dried roasted tomatoes. I love sun-dried tomatoes. I can eat that stuff by itself. So let's put some of that on there. Look at that big piece. That's gonna be my favorite one. No homo. Put that on there. Put some on the other side. So I killed the whole bottle, throw it away. Wash your hands. Spread it around. So far, how is it looking? It's still looking fresh. So what I'm gonna do is mushrooms. You can't do a pizza without mushrooms. My favorite. Now, like I said too, I am starting a fast after starting at 5, so I don't want the mushrooms to go to waste, so I'll just put this and cook the extra mushrooms on the side. Get that going. So far, look at my masterpiece. And now, I know everybody's talking about the protein. I get soy. And just chop it up, chop it up. Chop it up, chop it up. Now I don't really eat tofu that much. I'd rather have other things, but you know, sometimes this one is pretty good. Is teriyaki flavor, but it still doesn't have that much flavor. So there goes that. Another piece for the other side. So you see, guys, it's not that hard to be a vegan. I mean, I know depending on how much money you make, or that's just with any food, you know, it's gonna cost to eat. So I don't know why people make a big deal about the cost of food. So there goes that. And then the last and final thing, let me wash this real quick. What I do is I get the Cajun powder again and put it over the tofu, just because of the flavor. Give it a little bit more flavor. Put it on top of there. And the good thing about this is salt free. I mean, I don't think that Cajun powder has salt in it, so you should be good to go. Sorry, I just like to organize everything before I do anything. And then the last and final thing. Can't go wrong with diet cheese. Let me put it this way. We're gonna put that vegan cheese on there. Put it all up on there. I'm trying to kill this too, but it's gonna be too much. What I should have done is count the macros so you can see how much protein, how much carbs, and everything. But man, today is my cheat day. I'm not gonna count anything. So I did want to put all the cheese on there, but it's gonna be too much. And last but not least, some more Cajun. Look at that. How does that look? Amazing. Now what I do is I'm gonna preheat the oven to 420. Actually, I'm gonna preheat it to 415, and then I put these in the oven for 15 minutes after the preheat. So like I said, I put this on 415 degrees for 15 minutes. So let me stop this, and then you're gonna see the finished product. I'll be back. And there you go, guys, the finished product. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes and then cut it, but just wanted to show you the finished product. Like I said, I put it at 415 for 15 minutes, and there you have it. Usually I put it at 400, but I wanted it a little bit crispier, so you can put it a little bit higher. But yeah, 415 and 15 minutes. There you go. Bam. Vegan pizza made with naan bread. Peace.